Hello, I'm Michael Losier. I'm the author of the best-selling book, Law of Attraction. You're about to listen to a free podcast that I created for Law of Attraction for Employment. You notice I'm not using the word unemployment. In other words, you might be unemployed, but you're really employable. Today, in this free 1 hour, I think it's about 45-minute, 1 hour podcast, you are going to understand how it's all about the vibes that you're sending. So I'm going to teach you how to go from feeling unemployed to being employable, which create a different vibe for you. Now, the audio series is based on my book, Law of Attraction. It has two sections. The first section is how to stop attracting negative things. Maybe you're not attracting the right interview or the right job or not enough pay or you don't like the environment or you're not attracting any interviews at all, so you're still unemployed. That's a vibe that's going on. I'm going to teach you how to reset, just like the sign says, how to reset the vibe. That's the first thing that needs to happen. The second part of my book is made up of the three-step process. There's three conditions or three steps that need to be met, and when they're met, you can attract it. So I'm going to start off and give you step number one for free. And it's called the worksheet, and it's for my ideal job, my ideal employment. Not the job itself, but what it needs to contain, what it needs to have, what are some of the values, and what are some of the things that you need to have. You know, you might as well, if you're going to use law of attraction to attract your ideal job, it might as well be your ideal job and not just any job. You've done that before. So it's a free podcast. Go down below here, on the video screen, the description, there is going to be the link that takes you to the podcast page. Where you can get the downloadable worksheets, and you can download the worksheets. For those of you that listen to class number one through this podcast and you're getting really, really great results and you're thinking, I'd like all three of the audios and share it with your unemployed colleagues maybe and friends, and you can all use Law of Attraction together to help you attract your ideal job. So again, enjoy the upcoming free podcast audio on employment and Law of Attraction. Feel free to share this with others.
Hello, this is Michael Losier, and welcome to part one of the three-part series called Unemployed, or Don't Like the Job You Have Now, How to Use Law of Attraction